This is Skyfire AI, a new frontier in autonomous aerial operations, built to empower those who protect and serve. At the core of our platform is intelligent autonomy. Our drone swarms operate with mission-level awareness. Skyfire AI drones are deployed daily, providing overwatch, real-time situational awareness, and tactical support to officers on the ground. Skyfire AI's command link dashboard fuses data from multiple autonomous units into one unified interface, all driven by proprietary AI. Using computer vision and machine learning, our system doesn't just watch, it understands. Our decentralized autonomy model ensures mission continuity, even in GPS or comms-denied environments. With active deployments, scalable technology, and real-world impact, we're transforming how agencies command the skies to protect and serve.